Today we're shaping a liquid splash into a frozen, sculptural artwork. Begin by selecting a splash PNG or cutting one from a high-speed water photo. Place it in the center and boost detail using clarity adjustments. Add icy blue tones mixed with soft whites to give a crystalline look. Duplicate the splash and warp it gently to expand the structure. Add smaller droplet elements for intricacy.
Introduce a spatlaut paint de splash to illumina tegis.
Place subtle reflections on the ground for realism. Finish with fine mist around the edges to simulate cold vapor. The result resembles a liquid sculpture suspended in mid-air. Let's freeze time creatively.